Oh, well, of course one of us is gonna be fucking... Alright, here we go, guys. Wait a second. This was Swimmer's idea. Now I see what you did there, Swimmer. Now nobody's a repair counselor. Good luck, everybody, except for Roy. Did this on purpose. You son of a bitch.
You killed them.
You got the main house. I'm taking the barn. Alright, I got the battery.
This can't be happening.
What up, dude? Hey, Jason's in Stillwater Camp, guys. Yo, Roy is at Stillwater Camp, bros. I'm looking at this dude, and he's very Roy right now. He's 1000% Roy. He's very angry. He's up there. I'm not going that way. I'm Chad, and I'm very afraid. Yeah, I don't fuck with Roy, bro. Roy's up there, dude. No, sir. I'm out. I did too much already, guys. I brought the battery to the car. That's a lot. Oop, there we go. Everybody loves a knife. Sometimes. Steady, Jason, save your life. Listen, baby. Debbie, listen. I wish you had titties. That's it. That's the whole thing, Debbie. I need them keys, bro. I need them keys. Chad gotta have them keys, baby. Damn, he got killer. He got killer, B. Bro, you can't kill another Chad. That's Chad rules. You can't do that. That's not cool. He's on me, guys. No, sir. You are not allowed to kill me, bro. Alright, he left me, guys. I don't know where he went. He might still be on me, but I don't know. I don't think so, though. I think he's gone now. Killed 2 people. Who else he killed? Okay, Snog, no. We not called Tom? Oh my God, we haven't called Tom. What the shit, boys? Not my fault, guys. Not my fault at all, guys. I would totally call Tommy if I synced it. That ain't it. Shit. Nice.
Oh my god, it actually fit.
Good job, me. Thank you, Krug. It wasn't the best, but we got it done. Shit. Bro, running over those stones hurt my feet. That was actually a really lucky wheel for Chad, though. Like, y'all saw that. That was very nice. Oh my god. You shitting me? I keep finding parts where everybody else has looked and not found anything. I'm going in here to see if the keys are over here. Oh my god. Oh my god, are you shitting me? I was about to shit a brick just now. We'll see. Do we not have Tommy called, guys? We gotta call Tommy. Oh my god. Hold on. Listen. No. I'll just do... Come on. Come with me. Come with me. Son of a bitch. We're in trouble. Where is Tommy? How have we not called him? Very angry. I don't know why she ran the other way. Well, I guess that's part of it. Oh, hey man. It's me. It's me, Chad. We're friends. You remember me. I'm good people. Just gonna go through this window real quick. No, I'm just gonna look. Let me go. Nothing to do with you, bud. Just gonna lock this. Just locking doors. No big deal. It's on me, guys. It's on me. Very angry. He acted like he wanted to be cool with all the Chads, but now he is very angry with all the Chads, so I don't know what to think. He says one thing, he does another. This fucking guy over here. I don't trust it. I'm gonna stay right here and just chill. Actually, I'm gonna go, cause I think he left. Let's see what happens. Oh, cool. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Help me!
Ah!
Please, anyone!
No, don't you dare! Don't you dare grab me, sir! That was fun. That was fun. That was well worth it. Oh no! It's locked! Goodbye, sir. I have had enough of this chicanery. Guys, he's on us. He's on me. This is not. I'm not. I'm not crying wolf here. He's right here trying to kill folks, namely me. I don't like. Maybe I'm an asshole. I don't care if he kills you. Oh shit! Did she run the battery away from the car? Vicky! Vicky! You ran the battery away from the car? Just kill me, Jason. Roy. Just kill me. I don't care. I'm mad at her more than you. Just hug it out, bitch. GG's. It ain't like I was gonna get out. Alright, guys. Well, that was lame. Nah, just kidding. It was fun. But I did die, so that's no fun. I like living. Yeah, I mean, I'll probably just switch it up. It was a fun idea. Ooh, she died. Hey, GG's, y'all, GG's. Yeah, we'll do the Chad thing again. I'm down to play some more Chad. I didn't do bad as Chad. I mean, I fixed goddamn half the car, but nobody else was doing shit. You guys were just running around doing stuff. I'm just kidding. GG's, y'all. Here we go.